At Induce, we build real-world AI-powered solutions that drive innovation further. Today, I am going to share how Induce built an AI-powered solution to monitor vehicle battery behavior and detect anomalies at real time. Electronic vehicle batteries are heart of EV ecosystem, but to understand how long it will last and when it might fail is a big issue. We came up with a solution that predicts battery state of health and remaining useful life of a battery at real time. The goal of this solution is to predict health and lifespan of EV batteries with real data. Now, the question might be, how can we predict health and lifespan of EV batteries? So, there are two terms using which we can do that. The first one is SOH, that is state of health. This shows how healthy the battery is right now compared to when it was new. This is calculated in percentage and this shows the current state of the battery. Next one is RUL, that is remaining useful life. This shows usable life the battery has left before it becomes unreliable. This shows the future prediction of the battery. Moving ahead, who benefits from our solution? So the first one is fleet managers. Fleet managers are someone who uses electronic vehicles on daily basis. You can think of them as a Swiggy or Zomato delivery person. So these companies have thousands of delivery person using electronic vehicle for delivery purpose. So they want all the vehicle running without breakdown. Using our solution, they can predict battery health and replace or fix early, avoiding delays in deliveries. This saves time, money, and improve customer service. The second one is EV manufacturers. EV manufacturers are someone who build the EV. For them, the biggest part of customer trust is battery health. With our solution, they can offer battery warranties, design smarter battery systems, and answer customer trust. The next one is battery makers and ESS providers. Battery makers needs to understand how battery behave in real world. With our data, it helps them improve battery life, safety, and design. The next one is charging and swapping networks. This enable battery friendly, efficient, and charging and swapping for light EVs. Moving on, key benefits of our solution. The first one is early degradation detection. This helps to detect degradation early before it even occurs. Second one is accurate maintenance scheduling. We plan the right time to repair or replace batteries. Think of them as Ola Electronics. These companies have thousands of autos. Instead of guessing when to replace batteries, we tell them the best time based on battery health. This saves money and avoids surprises. The third one is improved user experience. Someone using a light electronic scooter won't worry about will I reach home or not because this battery data is clean and reliable. The fourth one is charging and swapping networks. This enable battery friendly efficient charging swapping for light electronic vehicles. The last one is ESS optimization, that is energy storage system. A company using solar power with battery backup will know exactly how healthy each battery is so they don't have to face power failures or sudden cost. So these are some benefits and people using this solution. Now let me take you to the UI where you can predict SOH and RUL in real time. So this is the place where you can forecast SOH, that is state of health, and RUL, that is remaining useful life, for your battery dataset. Let me upload a dataset here. You can upload your dataset to forecast RUL and SOH over here. Once the dataset is uploaded, it checks if the dataset contains all the required columns to predict SOH and RUL. Here, our dataset contains all the required columns to predict SOH and RUL, so we can continue with the SOH and RUL forecast. You can also preview the dataset that you have just uploaded over here. Let's navigate to SOH forecast to check how it works. So this is state of health. State of health is basically how healthy your battery is right now. So this is the graph of state of health versus cycle count. It shows the health of the battery for the next 300 cycle count. Next is SOH versus time. It shows the health of your battery for the next 3 months. Next is SOH versus distance travel, that is coming soon. Now let's navigate to RUL forecast to check how it works. RUL is basically the useful life that is remaining in the battery before it needs replacement. This is the RUL over cycle count that shows the remaining useful life for the next 300 cycles. This is how Enthuse is helping EV smarter and reliable. Want to build an AI powered solution for your EV battery? Let's build it together. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI innovations in action. Thank you.